Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this kombucha. This is their Happy Valley. It's Canadian made, and if you see here, this is their purple ginger kombucha. Here's the ingredients and nutrient panel. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And if you look at it, it has some organic ginger juice and some butterfly pea flour. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Whoa, this is quite, the ginger really comes through. It's almost like a ginger ale, I would say. It's not really like that, doesn't have that strong sour taste like the kombucha usually has. So, yeah, not bad. Alright guys, stay tuned, more videos, and we're going to subscribe to the channel.